We are coming to you from the campus of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Guwahati, one of the youngest AIIMS in the country, and today is a momentous day as the AIIMS Guwahati has now got state-of-the-art radiology and other state-of-the-art equipments which would be very beneficial in terms of detection of diseases. In fact, the Prime Minister virtually inaugurated the facility today, and we are here. You can see this is the state-of-the-art MRI 3 Tesla machine which has been now installed at AIIMS Guwahati. And apart from this, there are also some of the state-of-the-art equipments, particularly in terms of radiology and other departments which have been installed in AIIMS Guwahati. Talking about the infrastructure which has been added to different AIIMS, give us details of what has been added to the AIIMS Guwahati in terms of the healthcare facilities, and who are these going to benefit?
Okay, so actually this facility was inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister on 14th of April 2023 last year. We are just 1.5 years old, if you see. We are already running 5th batch of undergraduate medical students, and we are also running the postgraduate. We have added this postgraduate 2nd batch also. We started PhD programs. We started nursing college also this year. So in academics, we are adding, and more number of postgraduates will be coming from the January next year. Few facilities at the time of inauguration was not available, like biplanar DSA, uniplanar DSA, the CT scan, the radiotherapy machines like LINAC machine and brachytherapy machine, which is utilized for the cancer treatment stepwise. That particular facility has been also added. Then our auditorium was not built up and ready for the occupation and the usage. That has been added. Then there is a shelter home for the patients' relatives who come to the hospital. They don't have to really look for the lodging boarding outside, or they have to sleep on the floor somewhere like that. So that facility has been also added into the facilities. And today is really momentous day where Prime Minister has for the countrywide declared a Vay Vandan Yojana, Ayushman Bharat Yojana of 5 lakhs rupees per year for every elderly people who has crossed 70 years of age. So we will be, we have our registration system, electronic registration system, and we'll be registering them, and anybody walking to us will be getting a free of cost treatment. I think that's a really a huge difference it is going to make to any families and any elderly people. They don't, whether he's a pensioner, whether he's a millionaire, doesn't really matter, but anybody who is at 70 years of age can walk into us. We'll offer them everything free of cost.
Also, there are projects like usage of drones to deliver medicines in remote areas, which have been now put into play.
This drone facilities, we are at the moment delivering medicines, vaccines, venom, and picking up the blood specimen and delivering them those after the testing to the results to the place called Gormari, which is, I think, waterlogged small island which is inaccessible, and within an hour our drone reaches and delivers the things, picks up the things. We are planning to have a very wider application of that, and in a future we'll be expanding this particular facility. So it's a very unique facility which comes handy, especially at time of disaster or at time of epidemics, like somebody falling ill over there, and only you have to send the drone, and the people can send a sample. We can test over here. We can detect the disease. So the early screening, treatment, all those things are possible because of the drone service. We have already flown 300 odd flights of drone to that particular place, and in future we will be expanding this facility.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has inaugurated many new facilities in AIIMS Guwahati, including a shelter home, a newly built modern state-of-art auditorium, and also many advanced equipments like 3 Tesla MRI. I'd like to convey my deep gratitude to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Health Minister J.P. Nadda for giving a new direction to AIIMS Guwahati and making it one of the topmost institute of the country.
Among many state-of-the-art health facilities inaugurated virtually by Prime Minister Modi today for AIIMS Guwahati, this department of radio-oncology is very important for the people of Northeast, given the fact that there is prevalence of cancer in the region, and this radiation oncology department and the equipments which are available here would go on to play a very important part in terms of early detection of cancer patient as well as their treatment. In fact, this is a focus area of AIIMS Guwahati in terms of providing state of the art facilities for cancer patient cancer treatment, given the fact that hundreds of cancer patients from Northeast region, some from very vulnerable communities, from people who can hardly afford treatment outside, have to go outside the region for cancer treatment, and this facility in AIIMS Guwahati is going to be a game changer in terms of detection of cancer, and also and will be useful in different stages of cancer treatment. Like many of the state-of-the-art facilities, equipments and instruments which have been installed at AIIMS Guwahati, this radiology unit is very important. This is important in the treatment of cancer patient, and this is one of its kind which has been installed here. And this just goes to show the focus that has been given in terms of using state-of-the-art equipments in detection and treatment of diseases in AIIMS Guwahati, which is going to serve the people of Northeast. From AIIMS Guwahati, with camera Sanjay Chakravarti, Ratndeep Chaudhary for NDTV.